Hello everyone, today we are exploring this 10-pack of premium Asidrama matte black cabinet pulls. These handles are crafted from high-quality metal that is rust-proof and incredibly durable. The beautiful matte black finish adds a sleek modern look to any kitchen or bathroom cupboard. Each pack includes 2 different screw sizes to fit various door thicknesses for your DIY project. You can use these solid pulls on dressers, closets, shoe cabinets, and even large wardrobes. Every single handle is individually wrapped to ensure they arrive without any scratches or bumps. Enjoy total peace of mind with a risk-free 365-day trial period. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.